Hi, my name is Ashish, and in this video we will see configure auto apply manual retention label policies in Microsoft Purview. So when you auto apply labels, users will see the labels automatically applied to content matching the conditions we configure, such as content containing specific sensitive information. So this feature is included with Microsoft 365 E5, Microsoft 365 E5 Compliance, and Microsoft 365 E5 Information Protection and Governance licenses. Please remember these important things about published retention labels. So auto apply retention labels can take 7 days to be enforced, and users do not need to be trained on your classifications or governance policies, and you do not have to rely on users to classify their content correctly. Alright, so let me just quickly log on to the portal and take it from there. So I am on the portal. I will go to Data Lifecycle Management, Microsoft 365. I will click on Label Policies. Same thing that so it says auto apply a label to auto apply retention labels. So if you see the one that I have auto apply a label, okay, you click on here, name, enter a unique name, you say test auto apply. Description, so that this policy description shows and elaborates the meaning of this policy and what it is doing to the users. Okay, click on next. It says auto apply label to content that contains sensitive info. Apply label to content that contains specific words or phrases. Apply label to content that matches a trainable classifier. Apply label to cloud attachments and links shared in Exchange. So I will say apply label to content that contains sensitive info. Search for the specific template. Let's say I do financial, all countries or regions. I would say UK. If it shows up here, or here it is. Okay, I click on next. UK financial data. Next, the group name. Choose a category of industry regulations to see the classification groups you can use to classify that information. I would say go with this, any of these or all of these. Click on next. Admin units, next. Adaptive and static, next. Choose the location to specify. If I go with static, I'll get the option and the locations. You click on next. Choose a label to auto apply. I will select a label that has been previously configured. Add. Next. Run the policy. Test the policy before running it. So we'll show you the examples of content that fits your policy conditions. It's always good to test the policy. And you review your settings and click on submit. That is how you auto apply retention label policies. So I hope this video was informative for all of you. If you still have any questions, please mention them in the comment section, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day. Okay, it's completed. I click on done and we are good to go. Thank you. And if you have not, please subscribe to us at Cloud Chef.